pretty nice, but let's take it into a little bit closer look with Amanda.
Thanks, Robbie. And I want to start out by showing you this rain almanac because we do have some pretty big rain deficits to talk about. 5 inches on the year. However, we are making a big dent in that today and also later on this weekend when the next threat of rain approaches onto Saturday and into Sunday as well. So while these rain deficits are fairly large, we are talking nearly an inch of rain today, over an inch in the FSU campus, and this weekend potentially 2, possibly 3 inches across portions of Tallahassee. So we'll see that rain deficit continue to fall. Here's that area of low pressure that brought us all that rainfall today. That is exiting off to the northeast, and behind that we'll begin to clear out just a little bit. Cooler temperatures are also going to be in store overnight tonight into tomorrow and again on Friday before that next system moves in. We're sitting at around 70 degrees right now downtown, 71 at the airport. Current temperatures across the region showing about 10 to 15 degrees cooler than they were at this point yesterday when we were still seeing the mid-80s. That local radar, that is what is the big story right now. Most of the shower activity, again, like I mentioned, is moving off towards the northeast at a pretty good clip. However, if you look back off towards our west, there's still a chance for some isolated pop-up showers overnight tonight. In fact, we do see one little shower here after all this, most of the rain clears out. There it is, moving north up towards the Tallahassee area. So if you're in portions of southeast Tallahassee, you could look to see rain again within the next 30 minutes to an hour. So this rainfall clears out, like we've been talking about, into Thursday and Friday. We begin to see some of this dry air move back in. We're looking at about a partly cloudy to mostly cloudy day tomorrow. And then Friday morning, you may catch that sun back out there again. However, behind this dry air, well, it's not going to stick around for long because behind that comes our next big rainmaker. So we'll watch our futurecast as this begins to clear out through today. There was that rainfall that we saw earlier. And as we move on through into tomorrow, there comes that clearing that we mentioned. Boy, this thing is crawling. But tonight, 62 degrees, rainfall up to 1/4 of an inch. Again, winding down overnight tonight. Just a few spotty showers. Tomorrow, back up into the 80s, 83 degrees. Showers ending by 8 a.m. for the far eastern portions of our region. I think from the west towards the middle of Tallahassee, that rainfall will be over by midnight. But our 7-day forecast Saturday and Sunday, that is our big shot for rain. Also a chance for some severe weather, so make sure to stay tuned with us tomorrow and also into Friday, and we'll go ahead and get that severe weather forecast pinned down for you. But as the tree showed us today on FSU campus, you don't need a severe thunderstorm warning for the weather to quickly become dangerous. So stay alert of the situation over the next 7 days. By the beginning of next week, we'll see that sun come back, things begin to clear out. We're looking at the mid-70s, so definitely a cool off for the beginning of the work week. And by Wednesday, back up to 80 degrees, 81. Back to the